Yes, ma'am. Oh boy, here we go.
I'm sorry, guys. Unfortunately, drones and things like that are not allowed to be flown inside the park here. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, but they...
What part of the FAA are you?
Oh, I'm not part of the FAA.
Oh, well then we don't have to listen to
Yeah,
you.
well, actually, no. Park police
No.
will come, and I don't want
Let 'em
park
come.
police to take your stuff.
Bring them on.
No, that's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's
All right,
not
well
worth it.
then don't do it. I've been flying here for years, and it's open airspace.
Well, this is what I was told from my people inside the park. Inside the park, no.
Well,
that they're not allowed to be flown over the park.
They are. You can tell your people. They are.
All right.
All right. Thank you very much. All righty. And with that, we'll just wait on the people with the metal badges to come.
What happened with the security guard?
She got informed. She got some information. So the plan today is to rescue a couple drones from the roof of the Parthenon.
At least two, yeah.
Yeah.
It'd be nice.
While avoiding
Security.
go have lunch, come back after security shift change. Here we are at a family restaurant somewhere Nashville adjacent, and I'm having a few regrets about what was said to the security guard lady.
What did you say?
Well, here's what I said. What part of the FAA are you?
Oh, I'm not part of the FAA.
Oh, well then we don't have to listen
Yeah.
to you. What I should have said was, hi, my name's Ken, I'm a drone guy, and I might be able to give you some useful information. But instead I said,
Park police
no.
will come, and I don't want
Let 'em
park
come.
police to take your stuff.
Bring them on. So we're going back after lunch, right?
Absolutely.
All right.
Hey, how sneaky, Ken, with the decals and the light?
I'm incognito. So I feel kind of bad how we treated the Parthenon security guard.
That's what I hear.
Yeah, so we're gonna do them a solid. We're gonna retrieve the drones that are stuck on the roof, or we're gonna try to.
It's actually a good idea. They may pose a danger up there.
Yeah, I mean, you never know, those batteries, they could start a fire, and it's a community service we're providing.
Well,
so
they are lithium polymer.
They are, so we're gonna retrieve it, and hopefully these drones will have SD cards in them. One of them's been up there for like 3 years or something?
Yeah, the one in this corner, the closest corner to us, has been there for a long time. I saw it 3 years ago.
All right, we'll go for that one first. And we're gonna use the good old stunt Phantom and Barkley's grappling hook device, which is a fishing rod with a little grapply on the end. And you say that this is gonna work?
Actually, I used that up on that quad up there before,
Yeah?
but I used the Air 2S and it didn't have enough to lift it off.
Okay, well we got the Phantom here.
So we're gonna just tie the string here,
Yeah.
go across, tie it here. We're gonna create this huge loop.
Loop, right.
And then we're gonna put duct tape, or the gaffer's tape, around this so it doesn't slide back and forth,
Oh, that's smart.
which could throw your balance off.
Yeah,
So then, once we do that,
yeah.
we will put the string through the top eyelet of the fishing pole,
Oh.
and it just hangs there. It's perfect.
That's pretty smart. This is a thing of perfection. So even if it does hit, then it'll,
Right.
then it won't pull the
Right.
drone down with it.
So you can do this.
You can drag it.
Yep. And that's what I did before. I landed it at the hook in front of it, and I backed up,
Yeah.
grabbed it under one of the arms,
Okay.
and then lifted. But again, the Air 2S.
What
didn't have
happens
it.
if the hook gets stuck in something?
Well, I did that too. I thought I was going to lose the Air 2S.
Yeah.
But this is just shirt hanger wire. So what you do is you lower this down a little bit, and whoom, and it bends the wire.
Oh, I hope it doesn't come to that.
It bends the wire.
Okay. Let me do a little testy test here.
Look at that.
Okay. Okay.
You got a dangler.
It can handle it.
Absolutely. This is going to be fun.
Oh yeah. I'm way up.
And
You-
be careful of that gargoyle or whatever it
yeah,
is.
all I need from you is you tell me how far the hook is from the ground. Okay?
Oh, yeah, from here it looks like you have a good 10 feet.
Okay.
Angling quite a bit.
I know. Yeah, it'll settle down. Especially when
Tell me how close.
you're probably 4 feet. I'm guessing about 3 feet-ish.
Yeah.
Right now it looks like you're almost touching the tiles from here. Almost.
Oof, oof, oof.
Okay, you're
Looking good, looking good.
Okay.
Nope.
Yeah.
Put the camera up a little bit.
Okay.
There's really not a lot to grab on that.
No, no.
I do see like some
Okay, about a
kind of
foot?
action camera.
About a foot.
Okay.
It looks like you're almost touching that tile from here.
Okay. I'll go slower this time.
Yeah.
Contact.
Okay. Confirm.
Ah! I did. I pulled it.
Almost had it.
I almost had it.
Okay. Back to.
I'm gonna go from this way up then.
There you go. Yeah.
I'm not near the gargoyle.
Not as far as I can tell from this angle.
This is nerve-wracking, man.
Oh yeah. Oh, your adrenaline's pumping like hell right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right
it's
there.
got
You're
action.
right there. You're right there. Okay, now drag forward, forward, forward. It's looking good. Forward, forward still, forward still. That's solid. That looks solid. That's solid. There you go. You're lifting. You're lifting. Can you do it?
Motor speed reached.
You can't. Oh, jeez.
Yeah, motor speed reached. It's heavier
It's.
than I thought. It's really freaking heavy.
I couldn't lift it when I hooked it.
What kind of drone is that?
They're about the same size.
Yeah, it said motor speed reached. He couldn't lift it.
I'll give it one more try, but I came really.
Holy stone.
Man, that was close. I would have thought that the Phantom could freaking lift
You
that.
could probably. Yep.
Contact.
Confirm, we see that.
Oh, you got you.
Yeah, they're almost up.
You yes.
Moving it.
Even if you
Got
just
it.
can you pull it off
No,
the edge?
no.
can't pull it off the-
I'm
Oh,
Nope.
Oh my God, nice save. Bring it in, bring it in.
yeah, bring it in, Ken. It's hurting. It's hurting. Want me to catch it early?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it in here.
Oh my God.
We lost.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh man, you got half a prop missing.
I do?
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh man.
Let's show it.
Two props.
Yeah, look at that. You clipped,
I got this one missing and that one missing.
and it still flew.
And it still flew. That is the magic of the Phantom. I didn't realize how heavy that drone was up there.
It's very heavy.
That's a big
Yeah.
drone.
Yeah, I thought you could do it with this. I tried it with the POS and I couldn't do it either.
I wanted to flip it off so it just dropped.
You're right.
I knew I wasn't going to lift it up
Right.
and gently.
Just drag it to the edge and have it fall.
How close to the edge is it?
You're close.
Should we stop while we're ahead?
It's your call.
Yeah, I'm not going to destroy my drone for a toy drone.
No. Is your heart pumping?
It was. Now, Keith was over there to make sure that nobody was below it in case it
Correct.
did fall off.
Correct.
But let's watch that again.
Oh, you got you.
Yeah, they're almost up.
You yes.
Moving it.
Even if you
Got
just
it.
can you pull it off
No,
the edge?
no.
can't pull it off the-
I'm,
Oh,
oh,
Oh my God, nice save. Bring it in, bring it in.
ooh, man. I thought the Phantom had more pulling power. You know, I did
I did too, yeah.
pulling power
Yeah.
video years ago.
Right.
And here's how much the Phantom can lift. What we got? Pound and a half. Okay, all right. So what did it do? You're watching. Did it tumble?
You started to lift it, and then I think the weight of it as you were pulling. We'll have to see Keith's video, but it looks like it pulled into the gargoyle, I think. And then that's when you clipped it. Fortunately, when you ascended quickly, you saved the Phantom. But
Yeah.
but we lost the hook.
Good Phantom. Good Phantom. Still a legal flight.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody got hurt,
Nope.
and Keith's a good cameraman. These are the original OEM props. I've had these since this was new. And we're gonna put these on and see if it flies okay.
Take off.
It's beauteous.
Best drone ever. You just can't beat the old P4. You just can't.
Except for the P5.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's it, I guess, today, Barkley. Thanks for your help.
It's my pleasure.
And thank you for your help, Keith. And everybody out there, stay safe, fly nice, use your common sense, and have fun. And use Remote Pilot 101. Oh, there it is, Remote Pilot 101 CLUELESS.com. Heron 18 for?
A 30% discount.
That's right. Let me just move that out of here. There we go.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that face. Look
feel
at
better,
that face.
yeah.
All right. Until next time, buh.
And bye.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to feed you.
Easy.
Here we go.
Did you charge the battery?
No. Oh, man.
Dead batteries.
Of course I took. Oh, Barkley put it in the middle where nobody with short arms can reach it.
I'm sorry. I'll be Ken.
I can't. To instigate compass calibration. Go. Switch. Over here, little guy. Oh. Tall guy, every time.